It's Friday, Friday, gonna have fun on Friday. Now let's celebrate our friends who did a good job on Lexia and Gigi. Boom, 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 boom. First up, Lexia. Now remember, our goal this week was 15 units. So if you got 15 units, you get to be an awesome YouTube star and you get to do something really cool and record a really fun video on Flipgrid for your whole class to see. And I've already assigned it. So if you are Ariana, Karen, Sammy, Isabella, Luis, Zoe, or Diego, you guys can go get on Flipgrid on your assignments and make a really cool video. For my other friends, almost every single person got on Lexia this week, and that is so awesome. Alex, Vanessa, Uriel, and Edwin, I want to make sure that you're really meeting your goals and getting on for a long time. So if you're stuck, Uriel, I want to make sure that you're asking your teacher and your parents for help. For my friends, Anieli and Exiri, we need to make sure that we're doing a lot of Lexia. And then everybody else, nice work. Keep up the good work. I bet even more people can get to 15 units next week. And I bet you can get even more than that because it's about to be fall break, which means you have a lot more time to read and be on Lexia. Lexia. Oh yeah. Now let's check Gigi. Alrighty, friends. As you know, we can see how much time or how many minutes we spent on Gigi and then how many puzzles we've done. But I want to show you something different. We're usually seeing each week. Well, I'm going to switch it to totals. This is how many puzzles you've done all year. When we come back from the break, we're going to be getting some different prizes based on how many puzzles we've done all year. So Andrea's done 200 puzzles for the whole year, and Vanessa's done 110. Anieli's done 901 puzzles. Let's celebrate the friends who have done over 1,000. Valeria did 1,099 puzzles. That is great! I can see that Isabella did 1,155 puzzles. Diego did 1,316 puzzles. That is a lot of puzzles. Ooh, Navian, you're almost there to 1,000 puzzles. You've got 843. Gael has 1,059 puzzles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a lot of puzzles. Sammy has 1,300 puzzles. Whew, that is super awesome. Misalia has 1,263 puzzles. Zoe has 1,597 puzzles. That's almost 2,000. Karen too. You and Karen are almost back to back. Karen has 1,591 puzzles. So Zoe only has 6 more puzzles than Karen. I wonder who's going to be doing more puzzles on the fall break. Wow, David and Kevin are both almost to 1,000, and Raul, you are too. I am so proud of all the hard work you guys have been doing, and I can't wait for you guys to have a nice, restful time over fall break and eat a lot of food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, have fun.